How to enable social media sharing for a post. Let me show you something. If you go to the preview here, you can see your widget, as users will see it on your page or your app. As you can see, all my posts are here. This is a demo account, by the way. On the top right corner of each post, you can see an icon like this one. That is a social media sharing icon. If you click it, you can share this post in different social medias like Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and WhatsApp. But what if I don't want to allow users to do that? Well, you can enable or disable the social media sharing feature for each of your posts. So let's do that. You can do it when you're creating a post, but I'm gonna do it with a post that I already created, like this one. Create meaningful connection. So I'm gonna edit this post by clicking on the edit post on the top right corner of the post. And now I'm gonna go to my post editor screen. If you scroll down here, you're gonna see that you have a lot of options. And one of those options is enable social media sharing. This one is active now, this switch. So if I click on it, I'm gonna disable it. Now I'm gonna save and accept. And if I open the preview again, you can see that this post has it, this post has it, but the one that I edited doesn't have it. That's it. That's the way to enable or disable your social media sharing for a post. You can do it with one, you can do it with a lot of them. What if I don't want to have enabled social media sharing for all posts that I create? Like have it disabled by default? Well, if you want that, you can go to settings by clicking on the settings icon at the left column menu, and then to widget. And in the widget menu, you can scroll down and see here that you have the social media option in post settings. Enable social media sharing by default. As you can see, this is active. But if you click on it, now social media sharing will be disabled by default. That means if you want to have social media sharing enabled for a particular post, you just need to click on that option in that post. And that will be the only posts that get the social media sharing feature. The rest of them will be published without it. You just save your settings. And now, let's see if that worked. So we're gonna go to notifications and create a new post. Now I'm in the post editor screen. And if I scroll down, you'll see that enable social media sharing is disabled by default. If I wanted to create a new post and have it enabled, I just need to click on it, and this post will have the feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching.